In 2025, the Middle East witnessed something unimaginable: 4 nights, 4 waves of Iranian strikes, and 10 Israeli jets shot out of the sky. Night 1, Iran launched over 150 drones and cruise missiles from hidden underground bases. Israeli air bases in the Negev and Tel Aviv were targeted. For the first time in history, Iron Dome was overwhelmed. 2 F-35s were destroyed on the ground. Night 2, Iran struck again, this time with high-speed ballistic missiles. Israeli radar installations were hit near Haifa. 3 Israeli fighter jets scrambled, but they never returned. All were intercepted by Iran's Bavar 373 and Khordad 15 air defense systems. On the third night, Iran expanded the war. Israeli naval vessels near the Gulf of Oman came under attack from a swarm of drones. As Israeli jets scrambled to respond, Iran managed to shoot down 4 more jets using coordinated jamming and missile locks. Then, on the fourth night, Iran launched a combined cyber and aerial strike. Israeli power grids in Ashkelon suddenly blinked out. In the midst of all that confusion, another Israeli fighter jet was shot down near Syrian airspace. That brought the total to 10 jets lost in just 4 nights. In only 4 nights, Iran shocked the world. Israel, a country that for decades was the dominant military force in the region, now faced its most direct and damaging assault ever. And Iran sent a clear message: we are not Iraq, we are not Libya, we fight back. This was a 2025 Israel-Iran war like never before. Subscribe to Knowledge Suitcase for more hard-hitting geopolitical stories.